Stock panels are stacked on one side, while aggressive GT3 fenders wait. The visual transformation is about to begin. Alex aligns a wide-body front fender with the chassis. The car begins to take on its menacing racing stance. With a rivet gun, Alex secures the wide-body fender. Each silver rivet reinforces the robust construction of this machine. The GT3 front bumper and splitter are attached. This low profile dramatically alters the aesthetic and enhances aerodynamic downforce. Alex adjusts the aluminum mounting brackets on the rear deck. These supports will hold the immense GT3 racing wing. The massive carbon fiber rear wing is carefully placed. Its sheer size immediately signals the car's intent for the track. Using a torque wrench, Alex secures the wing. Each click ensures it can withstand extreme aerodynamic forces during competition. The full body kit is now installed. Wide fenders and a towering wing create a track-focused, imposing racing silhouette. Alex wipes down the composite surfaces with a panel cleaner. Every inch is made pristine for the final finishing. Silver roll cage tubes are carried inside. Alex begins welding, with sparks briefly illuminating the new safety structures cabin. Alex grinds a welded joint to a seamless finish. This precision reinforces the structural integrity of the GT3's cage. The matte black roll cage is fully installed. This network of bars transforms the interior into a race-prepped machine. A carbon fiber bucket seat is lowered into the interior. Alex aligns it perfectly, preparing the driver's new command center. Alex fastens the multi-point racing harnesses to the roll cage. Every strap is checked to ensure ultimate driver safety. A carbon fiber steering wheel is positioned on the hub. Its array of control buttons confirms its racing purpose. The interior is now fully race-ready. The minimalist cockpit stands in stark contrast to the original luxury road car. Alex applies protective film to the fender. This invisible layer defends against track debris, preserving the car's pristine finish. Lightweight Lexan windows are fitted into the frames. This material reduces weight, which is essential for peak racing performance. Using a shim tool, Alex ensures uniform panel gaps. He seeks aerodynamic perfection for this high-performance racing edition machine. Matte black racing wheels are rolled into view. Their track-focused design provides a huge contrast to the stock alloys.
A smooth racing slick is mounted onto the wheel. The rubber stretches tautly, signaling the final stages of transformation. Alex lifts the racing wheel onto the hub. The vibrant red caliper peeks through the spokes as completion nears. An impact wrench secures the lug nuts to precise specifications. The car is now locked into its track-ready stance. Alex lowers the Lamborghini from the lift. As the tires meet the ground, the aggressive low stance is revealed. Alex connects a diagnostic tool to the OBD
This ultrasonic
port.
cleaner allows
Scrolling
us to
digits
restore
confirm
heavily
that
rusted
all electronic
components,
systems
like
are
this
functioning
suspension
perfectly.
bracket, to a gleaming...
Inside the cockpit, Alex reaches for the red start button. The cabin lights glow in anticipation of the roar. The V10 engine ignites with a raw, guttural roar. Exhaust vapor signals the formidable power now contained within this beast. The black exhaust tips vibrate at idle. A faint heat haze shimmers, offering a visual testament to the performance. A pan reveals the menacing front fascia. Sharp lines and aggressive intakes are now perfectly integrated into the design. The camera tracks the pristine white side. Wide-body fenders encompass the racing slicks, emphasizing the car's extreme track readiness. From above, the colossal rear wing dominates the view. Beneath it, the diffuser is designed for maximum high-speed downforce. The digital dashboard glows with essential racing data. RPM and speed await the driver's command in this focused cockpit. The iconic Lamborghini emblem gleams on the front. It symbolizes a legacy of performance, now enhanced for the racetrack. Zooming out, the completed GT3 is revealed. Alex stands beside his creation, smiling with satisfaction at the meticulous work. Alex glides his hand over the pristine white paint. He appreciates the countless hours invested in this incredible transformation. During a final walk-around, Alex examines every bolt. His intense focus ensures absolute perfection for his new GT3 creation. A macro shot shows the tight carbon fiber weave. This pattern speaks to the lightweight strength and high-performance design. From a low angle, the car appears formidable. Its aggressive silhouette carves a powerful image against the workshop backdrop. The digital dashboard displays a System OK message. This final check confirms the successful integration of all racing systems. A dolly shot encircles the machine. The body, wheels, and aero elements blend into one harmonious, high-performance racing beast.
A pristine Huracan awaits. Alex inspects the paint before the aggressive GT3 transformation begins here in the workshop. Alex reviews digital schematics, comparing the standard car to its future racing form. Detailed planning starts this journey. Alex positions the hydraulic lift and raises the vehicle. The first step in disassembling the standard model is complete. Using an impact wrench, Alex removes the stock wheel. The brake calipers are exposed, marking the initial transformation phase. With the car elevated, Alex prepares to drain the engine fluids. This precise operation signals the deep work ahead. Blue coolant flows from the radiator as Alex ensures a clean workspace. Methodical draining prepares the engine for upgrades. Working beneath the car, Alex removes underbelly panels. The intricate chassis is revealed, ready for specific GT3 racing modifications. Alex meticulously sorts every removed bolt into labeled bins. Staying organized is vital for a successful high-precision GT3 conversion. The interior is stripped bare, revealing complex factory wiring. This clean slate is necessary for the new roll cage. Alex trims the internal plastic with a rotary tool. He vacuums away dust, preparing the cabin for racing specifications. The bare chassis stands exposed, showing raw aluminum and carbon fiber. This skeletal foundation is ready for race construction. Alex cleans a chassis mounting point until the metal shines. Every surface must be perfect for robust racing components. New anodized blue racing coilovers sit on the workbench. Their vibrant color contrasts with the silver of the chassis. Alex aligns a blue suspension arm and secures it with shiny bolts. The precise fit demonstrates high-end racing engineering. A bright red brake caliper is positioned over the rotor. Alex tightens the bolts, securing this crucial racing component. The powerful V10 engine sits exposed. Alex inspects every hose and connection, ensuring a flawless foundation for GT3 power. Alex replaces a spark plug with a high-performance version. Such attention to detail is critical for optimal engine performance. A carbon fiber air intake is lowered into the engine bay. Its aggressive design signals a massive power delivery. New steel fuel lines are attached with a torque wrench. Every connection must be leak-free for high-demand racing conditions. Elevated on the lift, the Lamborghini displays its new suspension and rev calipers. The car now has a purposeful stance.